Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a reverse tie-dye bleach t-shirt. So, first what you're going to need is a t-shirt. I have this $10 Walmart Guns N' Roses t-shirt. Then you're going to need a fork. You don't really need a fork, but it's good to have. Gloves so you don't get the bleach on your hands. You're gonna need some rubber bands, any kind will do, but smaller is better so they hold tighter. You're gonna need some bleach. You can use any kind of bleach, but this is the one I recommend. It's called Cleanup. Comes in a spray bottle. You do need a spray bottle. Or if you don't have that kind in your area, you could get a Clorox bleach or any kind of bleach and then just pour it into any generic spray bottle. So once you have all your supplies ready, you're gonna go wherever you got water and you're gonna just soak the shirt. So you're gonna turn on your tap and you're gonna wet the shirt and get it soaked. Just make sure you get it really wet. Turn off your water. And then you're gonna wring it out. Just wring out as much of the water as you can so it's not really dripping anymore. Okay, so once that is all wrung out, then we go back to your area to lay it out. Okay, so this is the front of the shirt. What you want to do is you want to put the bottom of the top of the shirt on the floor. So bottom up, and I'll show you after why. So now you lay it out as best as you can. Okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your fork. You don't need a fork, but I'm pretty sure everyone has a fork, so just use it. You find your center, and I'll just find my center, which is right here. Lay it out nicely. Okay. And then you take your fork and you turn. Doesn't matter which way. And you just want to try to get the spiral as tight as possible. And I'll show you what you're looking for after. So you just want to help it, and you want to avoid like big pockets. So you want to just push them down and make it nice and smooth. Just keep turning, and then kind of use your left hand to push it down. And just make it as best as you can. A nice flat circle. Okay, take your fork out. Now once it's like that, then you're gonna take your elastics and you're gonna place the elastic around the shirt. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It depends on how you want your shirt, but if you want it just a messy look, then you can just place it wherever you want. If you want it to be a more perfect circle, then the better this circle looks, the better it will look when you're done. So you just want to place circle. You just want to place your rubber bands all around it as best as you can. Okay, so now once it's like this, you flip it over and I'll show you. See how this is a tighter twirl? It's tighter here, which means the pattern will be nicer on the front than on the back. That's why you always want to put it, whatever face that is the front, you want to put it down first. Okay, so now we're off to our next step. Okay, so you're gonna put whatever bleach you have in a spray bottle, like I showed you earlier. You're gonna have your shirt and you're gonna get to your bathtub because the bathtub is the best place to do it. Then also you're gonna wanna put on your gloves so you don't burn your hands. Okay, so what you wanna do is just spray and just keep spraying and just soak it really well until you get the whole thing nicely covered. Stuff smells great. Then you want to turn it over and you want to do the same thing. Coat the back. And it doesn't really matter how much you put. I would just cover it until you see it starting to get wet. And you know, you can't really make a mistake here. Once your t-shirt is in the bag, then I would recommend putting it outside or in a garage. That way it doesn't stink. This can get really strong and it's not good to breathe it in. Once you're done that, then you can scrub the bathtub for your mom or your wife or whoever, because you've bleached the whole bathtub, so it's dual purpose. Okay, so you're gonna put this away in the garage or somewhere outside for 24 hours and come back to it tomorrow. So we'll see you when it is done. Okay guys, so we're back. It's been 24 hours letting this sit outside in a plastic bag. Now we're gonna open it up and see what we have. This is my first time seeing it just like you are. And here it is. I think we went a little bit buck on it, but here it is. So let's open it up. Take off all the elastic bands. Make sure you have your gloves on because it kind of irritates my skin. Ready? There it is, guys. How cool does that look? There's the front, and there's the back with the spiral pattern. And that's it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the shower head and we're gonna just rinse it. So you just wanna rinse the shirt as best as you can. Front and back, try to get as much, look at the dye coming out. So this is all gonna come out. And you wanna just keep doing this until you see it running clear. Once it's run clear, then you're gonna take this shirt and throw it into the washing machine and do one cold cycle. And when it's done, I'll show you the finished product. All right. And here it is, completed. After I took it out of the washing machine and dried it, this is how it looks. This is the front. And I just want to let you guys know that it didn't go through the name. So if you guys have the printing, it won't really go through, but it kind of did a little bit in certain areas, like here you can see it went through, but I think it looks cool like that. And also here's the back, and look how good the spiral came out here. Check that out. And there it is, guys. So if you want your own reverse bleach tie-dyed shirt, that's how you do it. Please subscribe and tell all your friends and share this video. I make all kinds of cool how-to videos. So thanks, guys.